Okay, so we've got some little pieces of wood and we have our fire kit from Fiberlight, and I'll show you what's inside here. So you get the Fiberlight material. It's just this like really lightweight fibrous like wood material, and then you have the Fiberlight little mini Ferro rod. It's also a whistle, and then there's the scraper there. So my significant other already kind of tested hers out, but this is my first time messing with this kit. So let's see if we can't just really quick get some of these damp little pieces of wood to catch fire. And let me see, I'm gonna put some under here. So let's see what we can do. Can't seem to get it.
Turn it around.
Oh, there we go. Woo! Okay. Look at that.
It's pretty quick.
I better get this the heck out of here. The fire is raging. If I can start a fire when it's freezing out, everything's damp, and I have no idea what I'm doing, then I think you guys can too, especially with this amazing fire kit. I think it's kind of dying. Nope. There's, ooh, wow. Woo! That's actually burning for quite a bit of time.
Yeah.
Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and see how Leah does. Alright guys, we've got Leah. She's gonna show us her fire making skills, although she's one-upping me. She's using normal sticks and they're super damp, so we're gonna see. She's probably gonna get it on the first strike. Look at that. Yep. Excellent. Very good job.
My sticks are too wet.
Yeah, I had a feeling they would be.
I'm not like,
even though our fire's gone out.
My fire's going out.
We went ahead and pulled out our Survival Lily knife. Survival Lily's knife, she's got a hard edge on there, so in theory we should be able to strike our rod here. Oh god, I suck at this. Is it weird that it's not starting? Or do I suck that bad?
There you go.
There, gosh. Whew. You gotta keep going. Trying to get this little bark going. And babe, do you want to make a little fire teepee over there? Attempt number 3. I noticed this works way better than using the back of a knife, but come on, baby. Okay, attempt number 4. I think I'm gonna get it this time. At least I think so. Didn't know I was that bad at starting a fire. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. You know, if you haven't built a fire in a while, the old-fashioned way, it's a diminishing skill. You gotta make sure you come out and do this ever so often. Otherwise, you'd be like me and kind of suck at it. But this method seems to be working better. I think we're finally catching these little bits and pieces, and I think if we keep it going, woohoo, woo, god, I had to stand back. Come on, stay lit. Are we achieving it? Come on, baby, stay with me. I think we're doing okay. Kinda. Ish. Still thinking about wanting to go out. Boy, if I didn't have this knife, there'd be no hope. Absolutely no hope. Oh, we still got some of the tinder down there. Why did it go out? Come on! I thought that was a for sure way to get her going. Unfortunately, no. Ginger was so bored at us trying to make a fire that she laid down, and now she looks like she's gonna fall asleep. Cause I suck that bad at making fire. Maybe just we needed teamwork. Or a nice base to our fire. That probably was half the problem. When you're used to using paper and a lighter, and you've been doing that while you've been camping, it's kind of hard to, you don't realize when wood's wet. Makes it difficult to start even with a good fire tinder like the Fiber Light. Not overwhelming the fire, I think, is an important part too. Gosh, they say smoke follows beauty, but I don't know, it keeps following me around. I mean, we've definitely got a fire going, so there's no doubt about it. What if we kind of put the wet pieces around so the heat kind of dries them out a little bit? What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Ow. Boy, do we have it or what?
I think so.
This thing better not go out. I think we got it. Golly. When Leah and I put our heads together, we finally got the fire going. Leah got some dry grass and she kind of made a little Lincoln log house, and then we put just a little bit of the Fiber Light fire starter, and she started it with the striker. It worked really great, and so we just kept feeding it and just making sure it was well fed, and now we've got a pretty good fire going. Make sure that you can figure out how to start a fire when all the wood is wet and the grass is wet and everything is cold and not wanting to catch fire. So I just wanted to make sure you guys saw me struggle, because that's real life. You know, a lot of people might edit that out, but I definitely want to show you that, hey, you gotta continue using your fire making skills or you'll lose them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this content. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on future videos.